Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best platform to learn coding, such as Skillshare and COURSERA. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Learning to code has become increasingly important in today's digital age, and fortunately, there are numerous online platforms that can help you acquire coding skills. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore some of the top platforms that offers comprehensive coding courses, interactive exercises, and supportive learning community. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your coding skills, these platforms provide structured curriculum and hands-on projects to help you master your programming language such as Python, JavaScript, and more. So, let's begin. The first platform we are going to talk about is called COURSERA. You will be able to access this website by going to coursera.org. As you can see here, we also have a Google Cyber Security Professional Certificate available right now, so you will be able to apply for this course to be able to become and possibly earn this certificate for Google Cyber Security. Over here, as you can see, you will be able to learn without limits. You will be able to learn in COURSERA by using free over here, by joining for free. There are courses that requires payment, but as you can see, you will be able to access lots of different courses absolutely for free with more than 5,800 courses over here. You could choose from professional certificates and degrees from world-class universities and companies. You could also launch a new career in as little as 6 months. These are the different examples of careers that you could take in COURSERA. We have cybersecurity, project manager, data analyst, UX designer, digital marketer, data scientist, front-end developer, and bookkeeper over here. You will be able to find new careers by clicking this button over here on the top right, and you could choose from online degree, master track, and university certificates over here. For now, let's talk about the pros and cons in COURSERA. Now, as you know, COURSERA is a popular online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses from reputable universities and organizations. So, what are the pros and cons? The different pros are, they have a variety of courses. COURSERA provides a vast selection of courses covering diverse subjects, including technology, business, arts, and more. They are also connected to renowned institutions. COURSERA partners with top universities and institutions worldwide, such as Stanford, Yale, and Google. This ensures that the courses are developed by experts in their field, maintaining a high standard of quality. They are also flexible and accessible. COURSERA offers online courses allowing learners to access materials and lectures at their own pace and convenience. This flexibility makes it easier for individuals with busy schedules or limited access to physical classroom. Another one is that they have certification options. COURSERA provides the option to earn certificates upon completing a course. These certificates can be added to your resume or LinkedIn profile, demonstrating one's knowledge and commitment to a professional development. And lastly, they are an interactive learning experience. Many courses in COURSERA include interactive quizzes, assignment, and discussion forum. This enhances the learning experience, allowing learners to engage with both course materials and fellow students. Now for the cons. In COURSERA, you will need to pay. In COURSERA, they offer many free courses. Some courses and specialization require a fee. The cost can vary depending on the course and whether you're up for a certificate. This might make it less accessible for individuals with financial constraints. Another one is that they have limited interaction with instructors. As an online learning platform, COURSERA may lack the same level of direct interaction with instructors compared to traditional classroom settings. They also depend on your self-motivation. Online courses require self-discipline and motivation since learners have more control over their schedule. Without a strict schedule, some individuals may find it challenging to stay motivated and complete the course. Another one is that it is not suitable for all subjects. While COURSERA offers a wide range of subjects, certain areas areas of study might require hands-on practical experience or access to specialized equipment that can be unavailable through an online platform. And lastly, their quality varies. While Coursera maintains high standard, the quality of courses can vary depending on the instructor or institution offering the course. It is essential to read reviews and consider the reputation of the course provider before enrolling. Overall, Coursera offers a flexible and accessible way to learn a wide variety of subjects from prestigious institutions. However, individuals should consider their learning style, budget, and specific course they are interested in determining if Coursera is the right fit for their needs. Now moving on, the next platform we're going to talk about is called SKILLSHARE. As you can see here, right now I'm currently in SKILLSHARE. We're going to check out their homepage. This is their homepage right now. You will be able to learn creative skills to achieve your personal and professional growth. You will be able to tune in and level up at your own pace. Go to Dabber to master in matter of seconds. Connect with global community of curious creativities. They have over 34,000 classes, over 800,000 members, over 11,000 teachers, and a 4.8 App Store rating, as you can see here. You will be able to learn from these different categories over here. You will be able to learn music, drawing and painting, marketing, animation, social media, UI design, creative writing, and all of these other options over here. As you can see here also, a lot of different famous YouTubers are teaching different courses over here. For example, we have Marcus Brownlee over here. He is teaching YouTube success over here. You will be able to learn from different creative experts, like I said earlier, different YouTubers that are famous in YouTube. They are also going to be teaching you on specific categories or topics in SKILLSHARE. Now, like what we did with Coursera earlier, we will be talking about the pros and cons. Now, what are the pros of SKILLSHARE? The pros of SKILLSHARE is that they have creative focus. SKILLSHARE primarily focuses on creative subjects such as graphic designs, photography, illustration, writing, and more. If you're interested in developing your artistic skill or pursuing a creative career, SKILLSHARE offers a diverse selection of relevant courses. They also have community and feedback. SKILLSHARE emphasizes community engagement and peer-to-peer learning. Learning can be instructors and fellow students through discussion boards, feedback, and projects. They also have affordable subscription model. SKILLSHARE operates on a subscription-based model, offering unlimited access to its entire course for a month or annual fee. This makes it cost-effective for learners who want to explore multiple courses without additional cost or course. They also have project-based learning. Many SKILLSHARE courses emphasizes on hands-on project-based learning. Instructors often provide assignments for projects for learners to complete, allowing them to apply their knowledge in practical ways and build portfolio for work. They also have SKILLSHARE Originals. SKILLSHARE produces its own content through SKILLSHARE Originals. These are courses created by industry professionals and thought leaders. Now for the cons, they have limited subject range. While SKILLSHARE excels in creative subjects, it might not offer as wide range courses in other fields such as technology, business, or sciences. They also have less academic focus. SKILLSHARE's courses generally focus on practical skills and application rather than deep academic theory. So if you're seeking a more rigorous and in-depth study of subject, you may need to explore other platforms for that option. Another one is that their instructor quality varies. As with any online platform that allows anyone to become an instructor, the quality and expertise of instructor can vary. It is important to read reviews, check instructor background, and preview courses content before committing a course. Another one is that they have limited certification options. SKILLSHARE does not offer formal certificate or credential for completing a course. While the emphasis is on skill development and project completion, individuals looking for certificate to enhance their resumes or professional profiles may need to seek other avenues. And lastly, they have a less structured learning environment. SKILLSHARE courses are typically self-paced and lack structured schedule, of traditional educational. While this offers flexibility, it requires self-discipline and organization to stay motivated and complete course. Skillshare provides an accessible and affordable platform for individuals interested in developing their creative skills and exploring their artistic subject. However, individuals should consider their specific learning goals, preferred subject, and practical nature of the course before deciding if Skillshare aligns with their needs. And that's it, guys. Those are the two platforms that are best for learning coding. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.